Hi friends. So yeah, today I'm going to explain you Pareto chart in Excel. Okay. So see, this is my project. These are my projects, and this is my revenue. And 80%, I want to know 80% of the revenue comes from which projects. Okay. So now 80%, remember 80% of revenue will come from the 20% of the projects, that is 80/20. Okay, now so this is the data, and I just want to sort this data from largest to smallest. Okay, now I just want to update here equals to or alt equal, press alt equal, you'll get the sum value. Now percentage, take the contribution, just divide it by this one freeze it by using the F4 function. Okay, including this is the percentages. Now make it in the center alignment. Now so up, just insert a column and enter the cumulative. Okay, now this one plus this one divided by, and this one plus this one. Sorry guys, I don't think this one. Similarly, let's see remaining all. So this is the cumulative. Now coming to the how to make the Pareto chart. So select this project and their revenue, and select this cumulative field column name, and go to the insert, and in this histograms we have the Pareto chart is there. Okay, select the Pareto chart, so you'll get these values. Okay, or else you can do either go to the insert recommended sheets, take this one, update here, and yeah, this is the Pareto chart. If you see, how do you know the Pareto chart? So select this one, update the labels, go to field settings, make it into below, close this one, see where is the 80%, nearly 80%. That means project J A F B E D G till G. So these six projects, seven projects, which are giving the 80% of the revenue, these six projects. Let's see, can we check it or not? So six projects, how many projects? Three plus three, six plus seven projects. So 41, 32, 618. 41, 32, 618. Now let's check this one. 80. Yeah, nearly 80%. So from this one, either the project, the managers can focus on the who are the lowest people, who are the which are the lowest income revenue, so they may focus on this one. Or if you want to, they want to know what is the highest revenues we are getting from which projects, they know from here. So this is the Pareto chart, just change the name as Pareto chart. That's it guys, thank you, please subscribe my channel, don't forget.